We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 77 here on Jones Field number 1. On the Blue Alliance in that near launch zone is Aftershock. They are launching those 3 artifacts and cycling them through. But on the red side, you have Ultraviolet, who is attempting to collect but to no avail and launching an empty robot as they move to get those leave
Drivers,
points.
pick up your controllers.
All teams earning those leave points at the end of Autonomous. This is a 9-point game.
2,
Anyone can
1.
get the win from this, so we shall see what is to come. It does seem like Aftershock is having a bit of issues with that aim as they line up, hoping to get things sorted out. On the red side, we have Ultraviolet, who has successfully cleared that ramp and is attempting to collect those artifacts, but looks like they are having issues. On the opposite side of that near launch zone, their teammate, Wait on Our Shoulders, has collected some artifacts and is looking for one more before they go back to line up their shot. Something new for this game is Sushi Squad, who is taking advantage of that far launch zone to collect as many artifacts as they can without being impeded by their teammates. Ultraviolet doing it again where they're emptying that ramp. We are keeping these ramps empty as we go through, but the Blue Alliance seems to have been doing some boxing in of Ultraviolet as they're trying to prevent them from scoring. It seems like there might be some issues going on with Aftershock as they haven't been firing those artifacts for a little bit. Hopefully they will get that sorted out shortly. They're playing some defense though while they wait as they try to block Wait on Our Shoulders. And now they're trying to block Ultraviolet very successfully, them going 0 for 3. As we have now entered endgame, these robots have a choice to make. Are they going to try to fill up those ramps as much as possible, or are they going to just line up to park? And it seems we have made that choice. The blue teams are sharing that parking, so are the red teams.
Result shows in favor of the Blue Alliance. The All-Washington squad gets it done with a score of 98-68. 4 ranking points will mean upward motion on both sides of the Blue Alliance, whereas 1 ranking point means downward and stability for red.